Good morning. Welcome to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie. So I am doing something a little different. I've never done anything like this on my channel. It's always been cleaning and cooking and organizing. So we were going into town, downtown Shreveport, Louisiana. I live in Stonewall, Louisiana, but they were having a car show. And this is the weekend before my birthday. My birthday is March 13th. So, and I love cars, and my husband knows it. So we were going to a car show. And then we took the kids to a sci-fi place, which was really fun as well. But if you guys are from Shreveport, Louisiana, say hi down below. Or if y'all have been here before, say hi down below. But I just wanted to show you guys that it was just so pretty. And now we're on to the car show. Oh, and I love old cars. This is so pretty. And then there's like, they got a bunch of Mustangs here as well. Like, they really had a lot. And they have a Mach 1. But this is my goal one day, is to have my Mustang in one of these car shows. But mine needs a lot of work. About 4 months ago, some guy hit and ran. He just took out my back passenger corner panel. So the back end of my car is all messed up. And this right here is my dream Mustang. I want one day. But I fell in love with Mustangs. My mom had one just like this one. And I remember a little bit of it, but I've seen a lot of pictures. But anyways, so that one is just my dream car. But I was also like trying not to get people in the video, you know, because it's just kind of rude and I don't want to get people on camera. So you'll see where the camera drops down or it just like skips around as I was cutting people out. But I'll quit talking and I'll just play some music. So for those that love cars can enjoy the car show and not listen to me talk throughout the whole video.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time. I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me some.
But they also had Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s race car here as well, which was really cool. And also the Yellowstone truck was here. If any of y'all have seen Yellowstone, the truck was at the car show as well. Look how pretty. It's just so, I love cars, sorry.
Give me your all, I'll take it to Mars, oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while.
But here is that Mach 1 Mustang I was telling you guys about. The candy apple red. And look at that yellow car. It's so pretty.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
So now we were at that sci-fi place, and the kids were doing they were like in a trap room, but it was like a big old area. But they were like doing a trap room puzzle that they had to get figured out before they could leave. And that took them about an hour and a half to do. So I didn't film the whole thing. I got clips of it, but they had a lot of fun. And they just had a lot of really cool stuff here. So, like, if you guys live in Shreveport, Louisiana, or if you guys come down this area and visit, this sci-fi place is the place to come and bring your kids. It was so much fun. And like in each area, there was a code that you had to break, and they had like that little ciphering thing on the little toolbox, and it would tell you what channel you needed to turn the little radio to, and then it would tell you like the next place you need to go. But somewhere hidden also in this room was a number to the padlock on the little toolbox they had to open. And you guys can pause right here and read these little boards. I just got some clips of those.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights. Talked about.
What else did he say? Behind the books.
Behind the books, not. And then she said you'll get your sex tape.
Oh my goodness. This is tricky. But you get all the way in here and you walk.
It's making me dizzy.
Look at the floor.
I am.
They're not through the camera.
But I thought I would do something a little different and just take you guys along with me. And if you guys like this kind of stuff, let me know down below so I can take you guys around with us when we do fun stuff. But like I said, if you guys ever come to Shreveport in Louisiana and visit, check out the sci-fi place downtown Shreveport. It is so much fun. The kids had a blast. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week.